Welcome to this online fire training program especially designed for our society. If you are watching this on your mobile, we suggest you watch it in landscape mode. Remember, this is an important video and not just another WhatsApp forward. So, are you ready? Let's get started. This video will cover three broad aspects. Firstly, it will show you what to do when you notice a fire around you. Secondly, it will cover some basics of a fire extinguisher. Thirdly, it will tell you how to keep yourself safe in case you are stuck in a fire. In addition, there are a few tips for keeping kids and pets safe. Whenever you notice a fire, you must immediately call the society's security team helpline if available or the fire brigade. They are better equipped to handle such a situation. So make sure you memorize the emergency numbers they are available on. Please do not assume that someone else would have already called them. Why take a chance? You do it anyways. Stay calm and be prepared to answer their questions regarding the location and type of fire. It will help them to come prepared. If the fire is small, covers an area less than 1 square feet, then try to extinguish it by a fire extinguisher or a fire blanket. If not, evacuate the premises immediately. At the time of evacuation, operate the fire alarm switch to alert the other residents about the fire. Hope you have made a mental note of the fire extinguisher near you. It is placed on every floor in the staircase area. In case of fire, it is the first thing you should look for. And most importantly, you should know how to use it. In fact, not just you, every member of your family must be able to use it. Using them is really easy. They have to be operated on the principle of PASS. P-A-S-S. P stands for pull, that is, pull the pin given on the extinguisher to unlock it. A stands for aim, that is, aim the nozzle to the base of the fire. S stands for squeeze, that is, squeeze the handle till it sprays the extinguishing media onto the fire. And S stands for sweep, that is, keep sweeping the nozzle from one end of the fire to the other till it douses it entirely. तो याद रखें, extinguisher यूज करने की टेस्ट में आपको पास होना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये इजी टिप आपको और आपकी फैमिली को सेफ रख सकता है. If you hear the fire alarm, it's natural to rush to the door. But wait, what if the fire is on the other side of that door? To ensure that there is no fire on the other side, first feel the doorknob with the back of your hand to check if it is hot. Only if it is not hot should you open it slowly. Many times people tend to rush in their flats to gather personal belongings like jewelry, cash, mobile and whatnot. Never ever do it. Are those things more valuable than your life? Please remember, a small fire can engulf the entire floor in just a few minutes. Any delay in evacuation may prove very costly. It may come naturally to you to close and lock the doors of your flat before you leave. Don't do this when there is a fire. It becomes difficult for the rescue team in their search and rescue efforts. On hearing the fire alarm, you must proceed to the refuge area without any delay. A refuge area is provided for such emergencies only. If your flat is not on the refuge area, then rush to the one immediately below your floor. If you notice the fire to be below you, you should proceed to the terrace. The building's terrace is also a refuge area. This will help you and your family to be safe until the fire marshal or fire brigade arrives. Strictly avoid using the elevator to escape. You might have heard this many a times, but it is very important. Always remember that in case of a fire anywhere in the building, the staircase is the primary escape route for you. Though you must be quick to evacuate, please do not run. Walk briskly in a single file. If the fire marshal is around, do follow his instructions. He is trained to handle evacuations safely. And if you realize that there is a fire right outside your door and there is no other way out, then it's best to stay indoors. But quickly cover the edges of the door with a wet towel or a bed sheet. This will ensure that the smoke doesn't come inside. Please remember, most casualties in a fire situation happen due to smoke inhalation and not due to burns. What will you do if you are trapped in your flat due to smoke or heat outside and you have no way to escape? First of all, call the emergency number as soon as you can and give your exact location to them. That is, your flat number and which room you are in. Be as specific as possible without panicking. इस इंफॉर्मेशन से फायर रेस्क्यू टीम आपके पास जल्द से जल्द पहुंच सकती है. If your room is filled with smoke, simply stay low to the floor and crawl to the nearest staircase. Staircases are designed to remain free from smoke. हो सके तो अपना फेस किसी भी तरह के डस्ट मास्क या गीले कपड़े से कवर कर ले. This will help you escape without inhaling the toxic smoke. If you are stuck in a room, give a signal for help by fixing a piece of cloth outside the window to indicate your presence in that particular room. Please open the window but don't break it. You may have to close it again if there is smoke outside. Be patient. Do not panic or jump out. If you are trapped inside a room, then stay there and wait for help to arrive. Getting all the people out is quite a task, even for professionals. It may take a couple of hours for them to rescue you. Stay calm. Kitchen and electrical switchboards are the most common causes of fire. In case of an electrical or kitchen fire, do not splash water on it. It may make matters worse. Always use a fire extinguisher or a fire blanket to extinguish such fires. We suggest you show this video to your domestic help and cook. They are normally the first ones to spot these fires. In case your clothes happen to catch fire, do not run around in panic. It may aggravate the fire. In such a case, remember this 3-step action. Stop, drop, and roll. This is a proven technique to douse fire with minimum harm. Do teach this easy trick to your children too. If you have a pet at home, this information is very important for you. Just like us, our pets also panic in case of fire. In fact, they even get aggressive. So always keep their leash or carrier handy. This will help you to take them safely with you. Just in case you are unable to locate your pet, do not wait there. Evacuate yourself first and then inform the fire team of their likely whereabouts. They are better trained to locate and rescue the pets safely. That's it. Hope you found this video informative.